It is brick out, and that's a wrap on day 35. It's actually so cold. It's like 20 degrees. This is a cold ass winter for New York City. It's good. Today, let's see. I was like total fucking meltdown for the last hour. Everything on the dashboard just completely broke, and I was like making a lot of changes, a lot of like API changes, specifically with the server to client. So I thought all those changes like broke the system. So I'm like over there troubleshooting for about an hour, trying to figure out the fuck I broke. It turns out it's actually one of my API providers slowing down the entire system, because at some point I depend on making an API call, and when I make the first one, it takes 10 seconds. When I make the second one, it takes 10 seconds. So it ends up like taking about a minute for everything to load. And this took me like a whole hour to realize they don't have any changes on their status page. And so I think I might have to be changing brokerage providers, because that's like kind of unacceptable. It's during like off-market hours and markets are closed. So maybe that's the reasoning for why they did this, but I have to like, I think I'm gonna have to change providers, because that's an entire system down. Anyways, I'm just ranting. Plan for future. I need to have some type of like public release, similar to the way that there's Agent Arena, which is ran by like N of one, somebody like that, and he basically just has a bunch of different agents and like large language models compete with each other to see which one can have the highest market return. It's all like public. I basically want to make the same thing, except build it around my system so that it's like publicly viewable in terms of the market returns. And yeah, maybe some type of like sign up next to it, so that in case I go to retail investors, I can have like people who might be interested. But I want to have all that done by New Year's. So about 21 days left. I think I can do it, 3 weeks. So that's what I'm aiming for. But before I can get any of that done, I have to actually like get rid of all this technical debt in the code base. And so that's what I've been doing for like the last couple of days. And I've literally shaved like 70% of lines of code, which is fucking wild. But that's, I guess, what vibe coding gets you. Anyways, that's it.